So how do you use Clubhouse app? It's the brand new social media platform. It's audio only. So we're going to talk about the basic demo and tutorial in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. I want to show you the basics of Clubhouse. How do you use that app? And here is the Clubhouse app right here. It's the audio only social media platform. So no videos, no images, no text. It's audio only. But it's really interesting platform in my opinion. I just got on the platform a couple of days ago and I'm really enjoying using this platform and learning from other people. So first of all, when you open the app, this is what you're going to see. This is your profile page. Let me back up right here actually. So when you click on the top, your picture, this is your profile.
Available for other businesses to learn from it.
So what I just did was I accidentally joined a room. So we'll talk about rooms in a second. So first of all, here's your profile, and basically you can update your bio. I still need to add more text to it, but some people have like a lot of text. I don't know what the limit is right now, but there are people who have like pages and pages of text. Let me see if I can find someone, maybe my friend. Yeah, look at this. So this is a really good example. So you can really tell people who you are, the value proposition, any call to action. I don't think you can put clickable links yet, but you can sort of put the text link. So she's like, let's connect on LinkedIn, and here's the link. And then obviously make sure you have a profile picture, right? That's just 101. And then you can add your Twitter or attach your Twitter and Instagram accounts. And then when I click on this icon right here, it's a settings. If you scroll down, it's the basic stuff you can read about their community guidelines and stuff like that. I can also disconnect my Twitter and Instagram by just clicking here. All right, let's go back and let me show you. This was the profile, so I'm gonna hit the back button. So this is kind of like the main page or home feed or For You page on TikTok, or I believe they call it the hallway. This is where you see all these different rooms. So for example, this room right here, how to grow your Clubhouse following, that's the topic of that room. That's what they're talking about in there. So think of this app as like a meetup, a place where you go and meet with like-minded people and you learn from each other, but it's on the app, it's audio only, and kind of like the podcast feel to it. We'll enter in a room in a second, but these are like different rooms that you see right here. And then let me go through the top icon. The first one is the invitation. So you can, or basically, this is not the invitation. You can find people to follow. Invitation button is the other one. You can, and here are different people this app is recommending. I can, click on follow and follow people. If I wanted to search someone by name, I can type their name in there. Look at that, and then try to find people like that, right? I think I already follow Gary Vee, so he's not showing up here. But what if I type my own name? Yeah, there you go. Right? So you can search people by their names, by different keywords. What if I search marketing? I think that would work too. Yeah, look at this. So Michael, his handle is @marketing, and then other people. So it's searching not just by the name, but also what their handle is on this app. All right, let's go back. So that's where you go to follow people. Now this is the invite button. Yeah, I'm still getting used to their UI. So this is where, I think when you first join the app, I believe you get 5 invites. So you can invite 5 other people. And yes, it's invitation only even now. And then I invited 1 person and I have 4 invites pending. And then you can scroll through this, and here are different people in your contact list. You can invite them. Now, one thing I want to point out is if you want to invite someone who's not in your contact list, you may have to add them in your contact list first, and then they will show up here, and then you can invite. And right now, it's iPhone only. So if you are an Android person, you have to wait. All right, next icon is the calendar icon. This is like different rooms or events coming up, right? So here's Facebook ads, turning $1 into many. What are your goals for 2021? So many cool events or rooms coming up. These are scheduled. So look at this. It's today 11 a.m. Then this one is also at 11 a.m. right? 11:25, 11:30, right? And then if I wanted to get a notification, I already have a notification turned on this one. You can turn on notification on like any event or room. I keep calling it event, but it's actually like a room in the context of this app. And if you wanted to create your own room right here, so you can click on that, or event. All right, they do call it event. Oh, awesome. So you can name your event, and then you can, if you wanted to add like a co-host, you can add another person, and then you can do the date and time, right? Schedule it basically, right? Let's go back. So it's super fun app. I'm loving the fact that you don't really have to go to, let's say, networking events and exchange business cards and be in a room of like hundreds of people. A lot of people who are introverts like me, this app is perfect, right? And I'm still getting used to a lot of the things. I'm still like learning, but I'll share as I learn different things on the app. All right, next one is easy one. It's just a notification or your activity. See, I keep bringing names from other apps, right? So they don't call it notification. It's the activity tab. And here's like different things, different people I follow when they followed me and stuff like that. So let's go back, and then if you click on this icon right here, it's basically gonna show you different people that you follow, people who are like online, and there are people who are available to chat. And also you can create a room with them. So let's say I wanted to create a room with someone right here. I'll just click on this and I can create a room with that person. So last thing I want to show you is when you enter how do you enter into like different rooms and what's happening. So you're gonna hear some like background noise. I'll try to minimize the noise because there are people who are it's an event or it's a room, so there are people like talking. So when I click on this, look at this. So
what to say, here's one that you can utilize and everyone else can. If you don't know,
write this down, y'all.
Call out your target market. So moms, parents.
So that's what's going on inside that room, the conversation about, I believe, the Facebook ads. And you can join different conversations and learn from people. If you are a subject matter expert, you can create events and rooms based on your subject and invite people and share your knowledge. And guess what? You get to build your personal brand. So super exciting platform. I believe it's kind of the way I describe it. It's kind of like meetups combined with live audio, but you have a lot of amazing, cool people who know their stuff, CEOs of big companies and startup founders, like all in like one place. It's such a cool culture on this app. All right, guys. So this was the demo or tutorial of Clubhouse. I know they're gonna probably make a lot of changes, and I'll update this video. I'll make some more videos for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.